In the last problem we asked what was the average velocity. In this problem we're going to ask something a little bit more challenging. Yes, a bit more exciting. How far do I travel? For example, imagine I'm a passenger in a regular passenger jet. They travel at about 800 kilometres an hour. Last time I talked about how far I'd run in 28 seconds. Well, how far do I travel in my passenger jet in 28 seconds? Well, let's have a look at the facts. V is 800 kilometres an hour. Now, I can't leave it in kilometres an hour. I have to use standard units, which are metres per second. So I have to take the 800 kilometres an hour and divide by 3.6. And that gives us 222 metres per second. S, well, I don't know, so I'll put a question mark in there. And T is 28 seconds. Well, I'll go on now with the rest of the 4F method. I have to find a formula. In this case, the formula is V equals S on T. Finding it is a little bit more challenging though, because I need S to be the subject of the equation. S has to be by itself. At this stage, S is divided by T, so I have to undo that divided by T. So I'm going to multiply it by T on both sides. So V times T, there it is. We have V times T on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, S divided by T times T becomes just S by itself. So S equals V times T. Substituting then, S equals the velocity of 222 times the time of 28 gives 6,200. We don't leave that just as a number, we need to interpret that. So in our fix-it part, we go on to say that in just 28 seconds, I will travel 6,200 metres, or 6.2 kilometres. Now that should really amaze you. It turns out on a regular passenger jet, you're travelling about as fast as a bullet. Quite remarkable.